Well, hello guys, my name is Nick and welcome to part 9 of our massive auction lot unboxing. Done this, still need to do this, switching 2 more parts and we're through it. So, other parts, description down below, go check them out. I'm gonna fly through these because it's taking me 2 hours to record this as of yet. This is a Corgi Junior, the Futura. Nice one, I think it should have a windshield, so this is restorable. This is, oh my god, this is a Majorette Marigus or something like that. Then we have a Nova car, so cheap plastic car, sorry if I offended someone with that, a Matchbox truck. Then we have a Porsche delivery truck, some futuristic Formula 1 car. Oh, that's a shame. This is an RS2000, but somebody cut off the roof. So I could make a nice custom of this. A convertible RS2000. IDs. Some cheap truck. This is a Matchbox Super King Bedford truck. This is a Stretcha Vetkra, something like that. An armored truck from Matchbox. A Porsche Turbo from Majorette. Another one of these delivery thingy trucks with where they deliver that thing. I'm good with words today. There's a refuge truck from Matchbox. Some newer Hot Wheels. Some of these, not really that interesting. By the way, almost everything in this video series is going to be for sale. So if you see something you're interested in, please let me know in the comment section down below and we might find out a price. Ooh, my favorite high-class restaurant, McDonald's. With no name brand, no idea what this thing is. Then we have a nice Matchbox, not Matchbox, Hot Wheels custom. A Matchbox truck. Another nice truck. Another truck. Lots of trucks in this box. Then we have a police patrol without the horrible red paint job. A truck. The box fell through, I see. Then we have a Majorette with the roof cut off, or at least the front A-pillars. It's shaped like a banana a little bit. Next we have a Hummer. Another Mercedes trailer painted white and a truck. 2 more of these. Then we have a Porsche 924 with the trunk missing, like they all are. Another truck. The trucks don't really interest me. This is a Mazda RX-7 with the roof a little bit caved in, but restorable. I can't find the windshield, at least. Then we have a Visa Chrono. This is a Citroen. Another one of these Hot Wheels. A Yetming, sorry, Audi Quattro. A Majorette Alpine A310. Mercedes from, oh my god. Mercedes from Siku. Nice. And we have a fire truck with the roof cut off. Bank security from Majorette. A little Escort. Mini Cooper. Another Mercedes with the A-pillar missing. We have, this is a 24 hours Matchbox Kenworth cab cover racing transporter. Really nice one. Next, another, this is a, how is it called, a Hot Wheels. Oh my god, I'm dropping them. Peterbilt. Another bank security. Armored truck from Matchbox, sorry. Little transport truck and trailer. This is an old one. This is a Rolls-Royce Silver Sprite. Needs restoration quite badly. Then we have, there's a NASA vehicle. Nice. And it still has, it does have the door. Is the door still in? Yes, it still has a door. It still has the antenna. This is a rare model, I think, so I'm going to keep that aside. Straight to the personal collection. We have a tractor, a Renault Turbo R5, a little, tow truck, crane truck, that's the word I was looking for, a Ferrari. That's crazy, there's an airplane engine in this. This is a Mini Yamaha, I think it's supposed to be. This is a airplane engine. Nice, nice, nice. Two more trucks right here. Another truck from Matchbox, a Peterbilt. This is one of the Savio Majorette trucks. Another fire truck, another crane truck. A Mercedes for Majorette. This is a 350 SL. This is this kind of a safari truck, I'm guessing. A van. Another Fiat Punto. Some truck. This is a, where does it say what it is? A Simca 1308, the second Simca from this feature series. Another trailer, another truck, a school bus, a 4x4 Cherokee, two more trucks, one more flatbed truck and a Mercedes, another truck. Yes, I'm flying through this, I know. Ferrari. Sports car, just said sports car, but I think this is supposed to be a Ferrari. Fire truck, an older RX-7, a huge fly. A Hot Wheels, I think this is, yes, Hot Wheels. A truck and another car transport truck. Car transporter. A fire truck and a regular truck. Oh my god, we have a Porsche 924 with the trunk still here. Really rare. Setting that aside because that's going to be restored. Let's see, some more trucks. Don't really care about the trucks. This is a Planet Scout SO truck. Another Hot Wheels. A Lamborghini, it is Espada. Marzel. Two more trucks. And pick up the box because the bottom fell out of it. Let's see, we have an RX... Oh, my god, dropping them. An RX-7. My god, stop dropping them. This is a fire truck, I think. Another truck, another crane truck. A nice looking van actually. This is a US van. Some more trucks. One more of these. What was it actually called? A Range Rover. We have a Golf GTI. Damn, this model is destroyed. Then we have a Chevy Pro Stalker. Another truck. Another van. Some more trucks. These are actually all trucks. On to the next box. And I'm just going to do everything in this video because I'm kind of sick of showing everything. Next we have a postal van, Alfa Romeo 156 sports car, race car. And we have a lot more Ferraris. So we have a lot more Ferraris showing a BMW. Then we have a Corvette C4 convertible. A Lamborghini Diablo. VW Transporter with T4, a crane truck, a flatbed trailer. This is a Mercedes ProMaster stock car, a nice Cobra, really nice, a London cab. We have a Ferrari, this is a 456 GT, another F50, and we have a, what is it called? The GTO. Nice, nice, nice. And to reposition myself once again, we have a Mercedes Royal car. This is just a race car, an AMG car. Golf. Just a regular Golf. Then we have another Brava, Fiat Brava. An F40 with the race liveries. Another 348 TB. A BMW convertible. Porsche race car. This is a Ferrari, not sure it's covered. No, this is it's a Dino. Ferrari Dino, not sure what the other letters are supposed to be. This is a Commodore, no, an El Camino SS. Nice, nice, nice. A truck. Brago Testarossa. Toyota RAV4. And this is a SS, just a Ferrari SS, they're really nice. Another race car, this is actually a Volvo, I think. Is it a, yes, it's a Volvo. Porsche from Seiko. An RX-7, like we've seen a million of them. An old BMW, no name brand. Then we have a Ferrari 512 TR, nice, nice, nice. Another Ferrari 250 GTO. Another Ferrari, another dyno. Oh, there it is. It's a 246 GT. We have a Viper. This is a trailer. Mercedes 500, 560 SEC. Chevrolet Corvette. What's this supposed to be? An MG RV8. Never seen one of those. A nice truck. Another little Ferrari. BMW race car. Lamborghini. Yes. Lamborghini. Another one of these trucks. Toyota SR5. A Porsche. Another Porsche race car. Porsche convertible. Mercedes convertible. Next we have a Ferrari GTO, a Mercedes race car, a V6 T-Bird, no, as a Renault M5 or something like that. Another 250 Ferrari, Formula 1 car, almost through the box. This is a Jaguar, I think. Is it a Jaguar? The Super GT. Another truck. Two more police cars. A Ferrari from Majorette, an F40. A Jaguar XJ6. Police car. Formula 1 car. Another Escort. The cars I've seen a million times, I'm just going to skip because it's an F40. Seen them a million times. And an F. A Porsche from Hot Wheels. A Chevrolet, just Chevrolet, no brand, no type. A Formula 1 car. And a C4 convertible. Two more Porsches. A Ferrari. We have a couple more trucks and a pickup and a truck. Another truck. Then we have a Renault Clio. Not sure what that is. Porsche. A Opel Calibra. Another truck. Another Super GT for Formula 1 car. An ambulance. A fire truck. A BMW 7 Series. A VW Golf convertible. A Porsche 944. A Ferrari GTO. What else? Ooh, nice one. This is a Matchbox Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud. Another truck. One more Formula 1 car. And last but not least, a Ferrari. Not sure what this is. So, let's move on to the final two boxes really quickly. We have a controller, probably for this RC car. Really nice RC car. Just put some batteries in it and it should still work. Next we have a nice, what is this? A motorcycle, California. A BMW RS motorcycle. With the wheel missing, another BMW. And we have a BMW. Somebody collected BMWs. This is a Ferrari F50. Two more motorcycles. This is a Harley Davidson and a... not sure. Next we have a Honda motorcycle, a BMW motorcycle, and another... is this an RC? It's a Spider, it's a live Spider. This is just a fire truck, really nice. Next we have a police cruiser, another RC controller, a Harley Davidson motorcycle. Not sure what this is. This is a Honda motorcycle. And in the last three models we have a 1958 250 Testarossa Ferrari with 1 million layers of dust with the windshield missing. That's too bad. We have a Jaguar XK 120 Coupe from 1948. And last but not least we have this old Mercedes. Thank you very much for watching. Please watch all the other parts. If you're interested in any of these cars, please let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in a future video.